Okay, in this video we're going to use a template in Dreamweaver rather than set up our own page. This just means that somebody else has done all the formatting for us. They've got the banners and the table and the columns and the layout, and it's something that we like the look of, so we use it. Now the website that I use is just www.free-css-templates.com, and as you can see they have heaps of them, 15 pages of them, and really it's just a matter of looking for something that catches your attention and that you might want to put your information into. You can click on the view button and it'll open up the website, and this is what your website would look like. You'd have your title here, different areas that you want to work on, all links and so on, and your own pictures. So you really want to find something that calls out to you, and something that you like the look of, that you're going to use on every single page, that you can manipulate. Anyway, so I'm going to create a website. It doesn't really matter what I choose. I like this one. It's just pretty. So I'm just going to download that. That downloads into my download folder. Now at the moment it's a zip file, which we don't want. So I want to unpack this, if you like, or unzip it. So extract all. So right mouse click, extract all. And I don't want it to unzip there. I want it to unzip into my Digitech folder. So I'm going to go find my Digitech folder, files from home, planning, and you have a Digitech folder for term 4, so you can put it there. I've got term 4, and I've made a folder in here called free template. So that's important, so I want it to be there. So I'm going to unpack it or extract it into that. So here it is, Digitech term 4 free template, and there is all of the files that comes with this template, and I need them. So now I'm going to open up Dreamweaver. Here we go. And at the moment I'm still on a website that I was making for another video, so I want to make a new website, and I want to use that folder as my base point where I'm going to store everything. So I'm going to Site, and I want a new site, and I know I'm going to call it whatever, my new template site. So remember what it is, and I need to tell Dreamweaver where to go. So remember, I'm already working in term 4 for Digitech, and I put all that information in the free template folder. So I got to remember where you put it or you'll have trouble finding it. So I want it there, and that's what I want. Select that, and I can press save. Now what you'll see over here is the stuff from my free template folder. So there's a folder with images in it, and remember the images we saw on that page, so they're there, and we've also got this index thing. Now this is what we're going to open, and we're going to use that because index is your home page. So just double click on that, and there's that same website, but obviously in the design view. You can split it and look at the code, or you can look at it live. Now it's just a matter of editing, like what will we call this? Let's do a website for my brother's tow truck service. So it's Coles Tilt. So make sure that you've only got, there you go, the title. So Coles Tilt Tray Service. And we've got a little slogan for him. You want it moved, we'll move it. Now it's just a matter of putting all the information in that my brother wants. So obviously, if I think about it, he might want home, he might want a page about, he want a page with photos because he's pretty interesting. I don't know about links. He might put in some links to some friends' websites so that he can advertise for them as well. But the rest of this stuff, the forum, the free stuff, he's not going to be giving away stuff. Downloads, products, he doesn't need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, and I'm just going to get rid of those ones. Now he doesn't need a sitemap, but what he does need, instead of a sitemap obviously, is a contact us page. so that people can get in touch with him. And just refresh that, and now you can see the beginnings of his website coming together. So from this point on, obviously, it's the same as anything else. You want to create each new page. Again, you can just save this one as another name and type into it, and then create all of your links and put in your own pictures and so on, so that it looks exactly like you want to do it. This time though, the template, has got a different colored background, it's got different colors in it, it's quite nice, and you can still manipulate it, but someone's done a lot of the hard work for you. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy playing with other people's templates.